Hey guys, it's Matt from Bullion Now, and I've got a little coin shop product here today. So we have here the 2022 1 ounce high relief Kangaroo. This is the latest in a series that started in 1993. The mintage is only 5,000, so it's comparatively low and it's something a little bit different. Let's take a look. Alright, so this is a coloured high relief coin. So if you get a good look at it, you'll see that it almost looks as though the kangaroo is coming off the coin there, off the planchet, and it's also a coloured coin, so it actually has a little more eye appeal than the conventional design you may have seen, which was just a plain silver. You'll also notice that the diameter of this coin is a little smaller than you'll see on a conventional proof 1 ounce silver coin, and that's because they've achieved the high relief finish by using a slightly thicker blank, and as a result you get this concave, very slightly concave design, which allows the design to look as though it's coming off the coin, which is something a little different that the Perth Mint don't always do. But when they do, it looks really good. If you'd like to learn more about this coin, or if you'd like to take a closer look at it, you can click on the link in the description or go to littlecoinshop.com.au.